Kuya, pangkain, magkano?
Ay, wala. Manipis lang.
Ay, manipis. Sige.
Oh. 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 Shit.
30-hour stretch of the program still keeps people language but now that it is parties. You know, I guess I just want to remind as in there's so many good food around, there's so many things that you could just feast both your eyes and stomach with, diba? Before, you know, during not parties, you have a party once every
Alright.
the 10 college, all the cholesterol, all the high blood pressure. And tell yourself, give yourself an excuse of, diba? And okay, fine.
No. No.
But if having more of those parties, then it's not going to be too much out. So, maybe you're taking some sort of maintenance, but if not, then let's not have That's because that's mindful and overtaking if you have long and of course I would still want to be around 7 years or so, you and I and together, especially grandparents. If they'll keep you at least,
Kuya, meron kang pangkain? Imbuko, pangkain?
Ang salad yung mayroon.
Ay, manipis lang yon.
Makalpal konti.
May makakain? Gusto ko pangkain eh.
Oh, puro may mga laman lahat na po.
Basta may laman. Sige, magkano isa?
45.
45?
Malapit na mag-50, ma'am.
Oh my God! Ang mahal naman. Di ba 35 lang, kuya?
Ha?
35?
35 na po ulan, ma'am.
Ang mahal na pala po
Ulan
ko.
pa lang yun, 35. Susunod na araw, baka mag-50 na yan.